Hi lovely people, how is your day going? Mine is doing okay. So if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing a new subscription to our channel, and it is called Bombay Cedar. But before I begin, I do want to thank everybody for all your prayers and all your condolences. If you don't know, my grandmother had passed away last week, so I took about a week off. I just needed some me time, and I just want to thank you. Well, thank you. I want to thank everybody for just how good you guys have been to me and all your kind words. All right, so this was kindly sent to me for review, so I'm definitely excited to get this. I've seen a few of my friends unbox it, so when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, send me the box. Let me tell you, I'm looking on my phone. Let me tell you a little bit about this. So they have two subscriptions. They have the premium box, which is what this is, and that is $49.90. Is it 95 or 99? Let me look so I can tell you the right price. I believe it's $49.95. If I'm wrong, I will leave everything down in the description box. And this says you get 8 to 10 full and deluxe size products in every box, and you're guaranteed to get over $100 worth of retail value. Then they have the mini box, which is $29.95 or $29.99, I'm not sure, and you get between 5 to 7 full and deluxe size products in every box, and you are guaranteed to get at least $60 worth of value every month. So that's definitely exciting, and let's begin. Now, this is the February box. I got it last week. It was like a few days before my grandmother passed away. Prior to that, she was sick in the hospital, so I was there. So that's why this is going to be late. Actually, the next few videos might be a little late. All right, so let's open her up and see what it is. I haven't seen any unboxings. I haven't really been on YouTube that much, so it's a surprise to me as well. All right, so when you open it up, oh, it says live a life inspired. I like that saying a lot. I like that. All right, so when you open it up, it looks like this. It comes pretty well packaged. All right, you have a little pamphlet. And what is this? All right, so I guess it tells you about everything. Okay, it tells you what everything's in the box, and it gives you prices, which I like. So it looks like this when you get it. It says hello, and let's see, let's open up the sticker and see together. So it's packaged very well, which is good, because some subscriptions aren't packaged really well and things tend to break. So let's just move this, put that on the floor for now. All right, so this looks pretty promising. All right, I'm just gonna pull out the first thing I see and no apparent order. So let's see, is it just on one page, or let's see. Yeah, I think it's just the one page. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling is a mug, which I'm definitely excited for that. This is a modern Moscow Mule mug, and it is copper plated. And let me read up a little bit about it. So this would retail for $29.99. And it says it's a stainless steel mug with a gleaming copper overlay. Is fashioned into a stunning modern take on the classic Moscow Mule cocktail mug, complete with a smooth rectangular handle. All right, so let's open her up and see what this looks like. It was so funny. I was just talking to a few people, and I get a lot of beauty subscription boxes, but it's like now I have a lot of makeup. I do a lot of giveaways, and that reminds me I still have an open giveaway. The 2-year anniversary ends March 10th, so make sure you check that out. I'll leave it down below. And, I'm into more like lifestyle boxes and different things besides beauty. So, like I said, when they reached out to me, I was really excited. And if you're new, I don't edit my videos, so it takes me a little bit sometimes to get into things. All right. I don't know if I showed you the box. All right, so that's what it looks like. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. So that's what it looks like. The only thing I don't know if I like, it's going to leave a lot of fingerprints, which that's fine. You just wash it. And then on the bottom has that right there. But this is really nice. I definitely like that. So far I like it. All right, the next thing is this. It looks like this little hair thingamajiggy, which is nice. All right, let's see what this is. So this is a microfiber hair wrap by Kinch It says a luxe shower cap designed with a adorable, that's what I thought, it's adorable palm leaves. Look chic while you shower in this revolutionary shower cap. So I don't wash my hair every day. So usually I have like a regular like vinyl hair cap that I put on my head. So this is exciting. What I thought this was, a lot of times you would put this on like a microfiber towel for drying, like if you want to dry your hair. So let's see. All right, that's what it looks like. All right, so this is really nice. That is really, really nice. And you know, you would put this on your head and then wrap it up. And I like that it comes with a little button. And then usually, let's see where the thing is. Then right here, you would have this right here. You would wrap it up so then it stays on your head, which is really nice. And this is really, like really good material. You know, it's not cheap, you know. Did I tell you guys the price? That is $23. So just with them two products pays for the box. So that's good. All right, the next thing is this Minute Mixology. This is lime, ginger, and ginger beer. What is this? Cocktail mixers right there. So that, I guess, is for what the mug is for. All right, let's see. And that would be $6.99. All right. The next thing we got are these beauty drops. So this is a facial oil, which I always say I'm in my 40s and I'm more into oils now, like serums. So that's really good. That's what it looks like by Canelli, if I'm saying that right. So I do like these kind of boxes that you get a little of everything. All right, so there we go. So right here, what you would do is you would push that in, get the products up. Let's say like that, and then you would just again push that in and put it on your hand or directly on your face. And how much is this? Where you be oil? Oh, $39. Wow. Facial Beauty Drops by Canelli. This Beauty Drops facial oil hydrates, brightens, and firms, leaving you a brighter and balanced skin tone. $39. Wow, that's excellent. I can't wait to try that. I'm definitely going to try that tonight. Yes, ma'am. All right, the next thing is in this little bag right there. So I don't know what this is. What is this? Where are you? Where are you? I don't see. What in the world? Let's see if there's another page. Let's see. I don't. All right, let me just open it up. So let me see if I see this. All right, what is this? Okay, so these are like, this is lavender, and these are these like the oils. I forget how you say it. What is it? Essential oils. Okay, here they are. I apologize. So both of these are $19. It says this is bergamot, I don't know how to pronounce that word, plant, is native to the southern Italy and has a charming as well as floor-like aroma. This is great enhancing your mood, elevating stress, and calming anxiety. So that is good. So I guess the lavender will be like a calming. And what is this? This is 100% pure essential oil. I don't know. So my husband is really into these essential oils. Me, not so much, because I really don't know what to do with them. So I'll definitely give this to him. I think I told you it was $19. All right. The next thing we got is this argan and hemp oil treatment. It's a soothing treatment. I don't know what this is. Let me read up on it. I don't know if this is for your hair. I really like this box. Okay. Yeah, so this is a hair treatment. This is $21. This is a smoothing blend of vegetable keratin protein, argan oil, and hemp seed oil. Significantly improves internal strength and locks in smoothness without damaging chemicals. $21. So I'm definitely excited to try this because I have a lot of dead ends. So that's definitely exciting. So let's see, let me show you again what it looks like. And this is like glass. All right, a few more things. This really comes packed. All right, so this is a Rankin chocolate. I guess you could put this in that little mug that they gave you too. It is organic. And let's see where that is. All right, so this would be $1.50. This perfectly rich way to indulge in a natural hat and cold cocoa beverage. You know, it's just a, you know, you mix it up and drink that. So that's good. Two more things. So we have a necklace here, which is really pretty actually. So let's take this out. Let's see if I can open this up. All right, so it looks like it layers. So that's good. It has like this right here, and then you have that, which that's really, really pretty. That is really pretty. All right, how much is this? So this would be $19. Semi-precious gemstone necklace by May style. So that is really pretty. And last but not least, we have a book here. Eat, Drink, and Be Gorgeous. Amen. I like the sound of that. So you have that. And does it say, I don't know if I see the, okay, so this would be $22.95. It says Esther, an expert nutritionist, reveals the secrets to beautiful skin, a fantastic figure, and peace of mind, all while living the good life. So I'm definitely going to read that. Let me see if the print, okay. Sometimes I just want to show you the, how big the print is. Sometimes they're like very small and I don't see too well, but I can definitely read that. So that's good. So it has like a lot of recipes. The first thing I'm seeing is General Tso Chinese chicken, which I love. All right. So that's everything in the box. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this? Did you hear about this box before? Do you like it? What do you think? Do you think it's a little expensive? Do you think it's worth the price? Me, it's $49.95, I believe, or $49.99. Like I said, I'll leave it down below. And I think the value is definitely there. It's definitely there. It's well over $100 worth of things. And let me know in the comments down below, are you more into beauty, lifestyle, both? Let me know. And is there any new subscriptions that you guys would like to see me unbox? I did cancel a few subscriptions and I ordered some new ones. So I'm definitely excited about that. I want to kind of change up a little bit because I'm getting kind of tired of some of the ones that I've been getting for so many months that everybody gets. And I want to show you guys some different ones that you may not have never heard of before. But that's everything, guys. I love you. Oh, if you wonder what is on my eyes, I am wearing the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palettes, and it comes with a mirror, and that's what it looks like right there. And then I'm also, for ColourPop, it's my Pleasure palette. Let me show you what that looks like. Let me cover up the mirror so I don't blind you. And that's what that looks like. So I am definitely wearing purple today. But yeah, guys, so that's everything. I love you guys. Again, thank you for all your kind words. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. And as always, I leave videos right here. And do not forget to check out the giveaway. All right, guys. And don't forget to like this video because it really helps me out. All right. Love you guys. Bye.